Welcome to Lust List, the show where the fabulous experts bring me, Angelica Bell, the latest trends and hot picks in fashion, beauty, travel and all things trending. Then I get to select my personal favourites from each category. Now, if you don't agree with me, don't be shy. Tell me what you would have picked in the comments below. Don't forget, everything on the Lust List is shoppable via the clickable links during the episode, and you'll find them all below too, just there. Ready? Let's get started. When it comes to beauty must-haves, Fabulous's beauty editor Tara Leden totally has her very beautifully manicured fingers on the pulse. So Tara, what gorgeous treats have you pulled out for us today?
The first item on my Lust List is lickable perfumes.
You what?
Yeah, sounds insane. Not only are we meant to smell good, we're now meant to taste good. Brand Amorecco have just launched one that apparently tastes like coconut and vanilla. It smells also very sweet.
Is this where I'm meant to lick you?
I don't think we need to do that.
No.
Apparently, it's called late night gelato and it promises a very sensual time, which I don't want to know.
Have you tried this yourself?
I have, it tastes very sweet. It's just like having a lollipop.
I'll lick mine if you lick yours. Do you know, it tastes like ice cream. What is your next Lust List item, please?
My next Lust List item this week is over-the-top highlighter. Think the bright, euphoria-inspired shades that were really trending 10 years ago or so. NYX have just brought out a new range of buttermilk highlighters that look a lot like the Fenty OG highlighters that cost £25 more.
Ah, so it's just about being bold with your look and go over the top.
Yeah, really bringing those 90s noughties vibes back in a really easy way.
Love.
This formula is really buttery and bouncy, almost has that putty feel, which means it's not going to highlight any texture in your skin. Do you want to try it?
Please. Ah.
Looks great and not too glittery.
No, I really like it.
They also have a bright pink shade, a bright blue shade, so that's where more of the extraterrestrial colours come in.
And the 90s sort of vibe.
Exactly.
If you want to go into that look. Feeling it.
My next Lust List item this week is face freezing skincare. There's been a lot of hot weather recently. We're all having hot flushes, or maybe you're sunburnt, and there's this whole new category of skincare which cools on touch. So this is a stick from Milk Makeup and you can just apply it straight to your skin and it will take the heat out and you don't need to refrigerate it.
So you're saying this is a product that actually cools you down anywhere on your body?
Yeah, on contact. It has the skincare benefits, it's a serum, it's got niacinamide and caffeine which will help tighten and reduce redness, bring down inflammation, and it also will take your skin down a few degrees.
Oh, I like.
Do you want to try?
Oh, it's really cooling, especially after that lickable perfume.
And you can apply it anywhere, you know, put it on your arms, on your hands, on your neck, anywhere you're too hot.
This works. Oh, I love! Tara, you have been mega today.
Oh, you want them all?
No, you can have the lickable perfume. Tara always brings good stuff. Today it was lickable perfumes, face freezing skincare and an OTT highlighter. This one is easy. I am picking the OTT highlighter because I love the idea of just looking cool and bringing that 90s vibe. But I'm also keeping that face freezing skincare. Hashtag just saying. Fashion assistant Emily Regan is back. I wonder what fashion find she has for me this week.
My first Lust List item for fashion is supermarket pyjamas.
Right.
Have you seen the hype?
No.
All over TikTok, everyone is raving about supermarket pyjamas. We're talking M&S, F&F at Tesco's, Georgia Asda, TU at Sainsbury's. That's where you need to go for your pyjamas.
Why are they so special?
There's one girl on TikTok that's had 4.2 million views of her raving about these TU at Sainsbury's pyjamas. The graphic prints, they're literally unreal.
OMG.
Some of them I would even wear as my day wear.
No.
Stripy shorts, pair it with a little white tee, or graphic print t-shirts.
Multitasking the PJs.
Exactly.
Emily, what's next on your Lust List?
My next Lust List pick is sunglasses dupes.
Oh, I love dupes. Bring it.
Do you spend a fortune on your sunnies?
Sometimes, yeah.
I love it, but for me personally, I don't really see the point. I'm gonna sit on them, I'm gonna lose them, they're gonna get squished at the bottom of my bag, but you can get some of the designer ones at a fraction of the cost as a dupe on the high street. This particular pair is from Primark. They're £5. They are basically an exact copy of the Leen pair, which are £460.
That's a saving of £455.
Girl math.
Can I just say, I only buy designer glasses when it's duty free.
In the airport?
Yeah.
Yeah, cute.
But still, I'm not going on holiday every 5 minutes.
Also think the sunglasses trends go in and out so quickly.
Yeah.
So it is worth sort of having a look at the dupes. This pair are £16 from River Island. They are a dupe of the Tom Ford, which are £360. So again, a massive saving. And I do think this is one of those pairs that they're cool and trendy right now, but it might be a bit of a micro trend and they might not be next year.
So that's a saving of £344?
Girl math.
Han,
Yeah.
don't talk to me.
My next last list item is new season must-have buys. I know it's hot, I know it's the summer, but we are always preparing for the next season that rolls round. That means autumn, winter.
Already?
I know, I've been getting Christmas emails. It's insane.
You said the C word.
I did, I said it. September is the season for purchasing your Ugg boots, your denim, your autumn winter footwear, and that is going to be in the shops pretty soon, and you want to get it before everyone else does.
It's starting to make me feel hot.
That's not the idea. It's meant to be autumn winter. I am an Ugg boot wearer. If I don't buy them now, by the time September rolls around, they will be sold out for good.
Plan ahead, plan ahead. All right, come on, we can do this.
That's my biggest piece of advice.
Emily, thank you so much.
Bye.
You look cool. Do I look cool? Well, Emily came through with those gorgeous PJs, new season buys, and those sunglasses dupes. I'm gonna pick those sunglasses. They look so good on me. My next guest literally has their finger on the pulse of everything that's buzzing right now. It's the Sun's reviews manager, Kieran Ahuja. So Kieran, come on, don't keep us waiting. What's exploding in the trend sphere right now? Are those ice creams?
They are.
Show them to the camera. Are you telling me this is your first lust list for today?
Indeed. My first lust list for today is weird and wacky ice cream flavours.
Come on.
Twiglets.
Yeah?
And we've got Bisto gravy.
Right, talk to me, talk to me.
Should we try both at the same
Yeah, go
time?
on. Okay.
Let's try Bisto first. This can't be good, can it?
It smells like Bisto.
You know what?
Okay.
It tastes the gravy, but it's actually,
It's okay.
it's not bad.
It's like that sweet and savoury mix mashed together.
It's a bit beefy, I suppose, but not too bad.
But not too beefy.
I'll try again.
Go on then, go on. Oh no. He likes it. Why are these trending, Kieran?
So you know Anya Hinmarch, the fashion designer?
Not personally.
Every year she does this thing called the Ice Cream Project. She makes these like strange, nostalgic ice cream flavours.
It's all about the umami, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's that combination of sort of salty and sweet.
This has got bits in it.
It's got bits of Twiglet in it. I prefer the Twiglet one, I think.
So do I.
Yeah, that's really nice, actually.
You read my mind.
Really nice.
I like both.
Surprisingly, I thought I would like neither.
This is what I like about this last list. Pleasantly surprised.
Absolutely.
How do you top that, Kieran?
My next list item is Doorshaw. Two of the nation's favourite retailers, Boots and Deliveroo, have teamed up to bring festival goers, holiday goers, beach goers, the essentials from anywhere. So basically you can get paracetamol, sunglasses, anything you need from Boots delivered to wherever you are, basically. So there's festivals signed up to it, there's beaches, some of the most famous walks in the UK, so like Arthur's Seat. You can get Deliveroo to drop Boots products off to you within 20 minutes.
So you could be slumming it in a tent in some random field and still get your necessities. Last but not least.
My last lust list item is bamboo bed sheets. In the summer, I struggle to sleep so much. It's so weird because you can't sleep without a duvet, but then it's too hot to sleep with a duvet. So my solution has been to buy some bamboo bed sheets. Bamboo, it's got natural cooling properties, and it basically just means that when you're asleep, you're so refreshed, and there's no waking up sweaty in a panic. It's so much more refreshing than sleeping with a duvet. Panda London do some amazing bamboo bed sheets. They cost just over £100, I think, which is quite expensive, but they are really, really good. There are some more budget options available too, so M&S do some. The ones I use are from a brand called Bedsure. They're on Amazon, and honestly, they've made my sleep so much better.
No more bags under the eyes.
Well, we'll see.
I like it. It's been a hot summer. We need to keep cool at night as well. Kieran brought those unusual ice cream flavours, products to literally go anywhere with, Doorshaw, and bamboo bed sheets. I am going to choose the unusual ice cream flavours. I know. Those twiglets just got me. My next guest pretty much lives out of a suitcase. It's our amazing assistant travel editor, Sophie Spenterhofsky. Hello, Sophie. So what's hot in travel right now?
Late summer sun, that's literally hot in travel right now. So we're talking places in North Africa in particular. Morocco, Tunisia, Egypt, always got gorgeous weather during the autumn.
So those sort of spots and those sort of countries, do you know what? I've never been to any of those countries and I like to travel.
I love them all personally. And the best thing about them is they're so cheap. So you can get a week's all-inclusive in one of these destinations for as little as £300.
No.
Yep. So I'm talking flights included, accommodation, all of your food and all of your drink.
What's the catch?
No catch, it's a no-brainer. You just need to know where to look. So places like Love Holidays, travel supermarkets, the online tour operators and travel agents, they have some cracking deals.
Might have to have a look. So what's second on your list pick?
Gig tripping. So this all started with Taylor Swift and her Eras tour. So it all came about when people were looking for tickets, couldn't get them in their home countries, they were selling out expensive, and people were jetting off to destinations in Europe where they could get flights, accommodation and their ticket for less than actually a ticket in their hometown. And it's the same this year, it's still going on. So it's Iron Maiden's 50th anniversary tour this summer.
Rock on.
And that has contributed to a 145% increase in bookings to Berlin, as that's where they're performing.
Really? So you can go to a gig but also visit a city that you haven't been to before?
Exactly, it's killing two birds with one stone.
Love this.
So do I. And on top of that, Dublin is rearing up to see some Oasis fans get there as well.
Get your Guinnesses in.
Are you buying on me?
It's on me. What is your next list item, Sophie, please?
Washing on the go. So we're talking about stain removal products for your clothes, stuff for your hair, things like that that are just instant on-the-go fixes. I actually got targeted this on Instagram recently after coming back from a festival, and it seems genius. It's a mask that you put on your hair. You don't need any water. You just rub it in, massage it in, take it off, comb it through, and it's basically a shampoo without any water, and you're looking fresh as a daisy.
What else you got?
You've also got Dr. Beckman's Magic Leaves, which cost just 14p a sheet. Instead of bringing a hand wash with you, they're dissolvable, bit of water, put your clothes in, wash it around a bit, then you can just hang them up your hotel room when you're camping, all of that sort of stuff.
Oh, bring the washing line back. Stick your undies on that. Thank you so much, Sophie. You're a star.
You're welcome. Let's hope your clothes stay stain-free from now on.
Yes, he's hoping. Sophie had some great travel gems. North Africa, gig tripping, and those handy laundry products. I love the idea of visiting North Africa, but gig tripping has just picked the post. Fantastic to go away, see a favourite band in a place you don't know. Just makes the experience more memorable. All right, so this week, my list picks are unusual ice cream flavours, sunglasses dupes, over-the-top highlighters, and gig tripping. Nice little bunch. Remember to drop a comment below and tell us what your top picks from today's show are. We love hearing from you. And if anything caught your eye, you can shop all the List goodies by clicking the links right here in the description box. Please hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the Fabulous channel so you are always in the loop for our next episode of List. I've been Angelica Bell and it's been a pleasure as always. Goodbye.